Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Vivek Jain from Cerebellum Academy. We have with us a smiling and emotional Dr. Nikita Chelani, who scored 720 rank in NEET PG. Congratulations, Dr. Nikita, to you and parents.
Hello, sir. Thank you so much.
Wow. 720 must be really great.
It feels amazing. It still feels like a dream, honestly.
See, why a dream? Was it your second attempt?
Yeah, it was my second attempt.
So, how much you scored in first attempt? How much rank you had?
I had a rank around 1 lakh plus. Like, I don't remember the
Okay.
exact, but 1 lakh plus.
See, 1 lakh to under 1K, that is 720 rank is a big jump.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Dr. Nikita must have done something special. What was that?
So, I'd like start like step by step. So,
Hmm.
I think the first step was like sorting out my resources.
Hmm.
So I use the retrograde approach for which I first started with BTR.
Hmm.
So once I was done with BTR, like each subjects, I would like follow the schedule. The
Hmm.
schedule is same like in BTR or the mission classes. So I would
Hmm.
follow the schedule and
Hmm.
stick to it like
Hmm.
एकदम relentlessly. वही
Hmm.
follow करना है.
Hmm.
And then whatever like parts I felt difficult, I
Hmm.
would go back to the like main video or mission classes, and then I would watch that part like even
Okay.
passively. Like I used to like walk down in my like building, and then I used to like put my earphones, and then I would like listen to sir's video, like
Hmm.
Jiaji sir's video or
Hmm.
Sparsh sir's video, just
Hmm.
listen it. And then I
Hmm.
would like note down the extra points in my phone. Like I used to active recall कि
Okay.
अच्छा सर ने ये बताया, ये
Hmm.
नहीं बताया है, या
Hmm.
ये मेरे नोट्स में नहीं है, एंड ये
Hmm.
इम्पोर्टेंट लग रहा है. तो आई
Hmm.
वुड जस्ट मेक लाइक एक दो वर्ड्स में उसके नोट्स, एंड देन आई वुड जस्ट ऐड इन माय नोट्स के
Hmm.
ठीक है, द नेक्स्ट टाइम आई एम डूइंग इट आई ओनली हैव टू रीड दीज टू वर्ड्स एंड आई नो द होल कॉन्सेप्ट इज इन माय ब्रेन. Because eventually your brain needs to be trained and like told के क्या याद रखना है. Like
Hmm.
I know putting a lot of stuff
Hmm.
also in your notes doesn't help, क्योंकि फिर तुम याद नहीं करोगे, फिर तुम्हारे ब्रेन को ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ ठीक है ये तो नोट्स में है, आराम से याद कर लेंगे. सो आई
Hmm.
थिंक दैट्स व्हाट आई लर्न कि नहीं, अगर ये अभी है तो अभी का अभी याद करो, खत्म करो, एंड देन यू विल रिमेम्बर इट.
Hmm.
आई थिंक देयर इज दिस फियर कि याद नहीं आया तो,
Hmm.
लाइक आई थिंक दैट्स द बिगेस्ट फियर कि याद नहीं आया तो. बट आई थिंक जस्ट टेलिंग योर सेल्फ कि याद आएगा, दैट्स अ
Hmm.
बिग थिंग. So
Hmm.
yeah, so I think this approach helped me a lot. And then
Wow.
even for like MCQs,
Hmm.
solving like 100 MCQs a day,
Hmm.
doing custom modules,
Hmm.
anything. In fact, ENDs were a
Hmm.
big boost
Hmm.
because I knew कि क्या गलत हो रहा है, and
Hmm.
that one question would teach me like 10 more topics.
Hmm.
Because वो एक क्वेश्चन से हर एक वर्ड से नए 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 टॉपिक निकलते थे. तो आई
Hmm.
थिंक इवन दैट वाज सो नाइस, गुड like you could give yourself a push. भाई
Hmm.
active recall, like I think active recall was something which I learned थोड़ा सा late.
Hmm.
But like the moment I started doing it, it showed like lot of like improvement in my result.
Wow.
So yes.
Dr. Nikita, uh, during the phase of preparation for second attempt, it comes with a lot of problems, lot of baggage. तो डॉक्टर निकिता को कुछ ऐसा फेस करना पड़ा, और अगर करा तो कैसे उन प्रॉब्लम चैलेंजेस हर्डल्स को ओवरकम करा आपने?
So I think for me, like I was in Kolhapur, so I stayed in hostel. So
हम्म.
when I came back, that feeling of missing your friends and all also hits you. You become alone because there's no one to like
हम्म.
like be along with you in this preparation. Hostel पे there are friends. यहाँ
हम्म.
पे you're kind of, you have your parents, but it's थोड़ा सा different. So
हम्म.
I feel I'll honestly say कि Team Cerebellum in general, everyone was
हम्म.
the one I used to watch उनके सब YouTube videos. I used to like go and watch Praveen sir के motivational videos, Zainab ma'am के motivational
हम्म.
videos. I just like I think every day if I felt कि अभी नहीं हो रहा है, I just used to watch एक motivational video and बस वो सुन लिया.
हम्म.
And I think like all my family members know कि अच्छा अभी किसके घर पे कौन है. Like I think they know everyone कि हाँ ये है ये है. Because I think that was my family. Like it was
हम्म.
a virtual family, but you just connect like अच्छा
हम्म.
हाँ ये, like even जैनब मैम हर क्लास में बताती थी ये हो रहा है उनके घर पे, तो
हम्म.
मम्मा को भी बताती थी कि देखो ये हुआ उनके घर पे. So
हम्म.
I think just connecting and being in this I think live class helped me a lot. Because like I knew कि हाँ this is my family, and then वो सुनना, and that it just gives you a boost, like it gives you
हम्म.
a happiness. So I think that's what pushed me. And even like my parents, like they have supported me a lot. Like a lot.
Wow.
You can't like measure it.
नहीं
Like I
नहीं
have a
actually.
little brother, so I
हम्म.
think he used to be like he used to come to me and then give me like उसको बोला था इसको जो चाहिए वो लाके दिया कर. So मैं उसको पानी बोलती थी वो सब भर के देता था मेरे को कि ठीक है दीदी बोल रही है दीदी पढ़ रही है तो he knew and he's very like so he has downs basically.
हम्म.
So for him to understand that now I don't have to disturb my sister is a big thing. But then he
हम्म.
understood it and he accepted it that okay, this is a time where she needs to study.
वाह.
So he gave me my space. So I think the whole thing and the whole family what supports you, I think that gives you a push.
नहीं, true, true.
So
See,
yeah.
family support, family's love is unconditional.
It is unconditional.
Many times in the class as a joke, I tell students, forget your relatives, but always trust your family. I think they are always there to support you.
Yeah, like I think the 1 year taught me that it's fine, like you will face like many hurdles in your life, but I think you need to believe yourself and
Hmm.
your family should be around you,
Hmm.
and you can like probably pass any hurdle, like for me to get this rank and then for me to be sure that I'll be around them, I think that's the biggest happiness that I have right now.
वाओ वाओ. कभी एग्जाम में भी तो मार्क्स कम आए होंगे, कभी जीटी दे रहे हो, ईएनडी दे रहे हो, तो उसमें टेंशन ही हुई?
बहुत ज्यादा आई थिंक बाय फेब और मार्च मार्क्स बढ़ते ही नहीं थे लाइक
Okay.
it was a plateau,
हम्म.
like नहीं बढ़ते थे and even I think in the last like even the GT I gave before the exams I didn't score so well,
Okay.
but I think just that it doesn't end until it's all over. I think that those lines that Praveen sir has like said, I think they are gold. Like you need to believe that because
हम्म.
I didn't think that I'll get such good marks in the real exam. So it was इसलिए इस एकदम शॉक था कि अच्छा इतना अच्छा आ गया है. So I think yeah because it's a whole like journey. Like I didn't have amazing scores like throughout. I
हम्म.
had average scores and I was okay with it क्योंकि I was
हम्म.
like कि ठीक है अगर थोड़ा भी improve हो रहा है it's fine.
हम्म.
And drops भी आते थे like I think वो postponement आया उसके बाद मेरा काफी drop आया था and I was genuinely very scared.
ओके.
But I think just believing in yourself helped me. कि ठीक है, like I told you, even in your test, I had like low marks and I was so like feeling bad कि अभी भी नहीं आ रहे हैं marks. But
हम्म.
I think just like staying calm is what helped me. Like
हाँ.
like it's a big thing. You ऐसे बोल देते हैं कि calm रहो, but it's very difficult to like stay grounded
हम्म.
and stay calm. So yeah.
चलो रेप्लिकेट करते हैं. डॉक्टर निकिता चेलानी ने जब पहली बार अपना रिजल्ट सुना या देखा 720, तो विश्वास हुआ, नहीं हुआ, नहीं हुआ तो क्या करा?
No, so actually, I honestly started crying. I read those like my marks and my rank, and then I started crying. So
हम्म.
my mom was next to me, so she started calling all my cousins and sending them कि ये देखो इसका right है क्या like the answer sheet because it was like
हम्म.
not a proper scorecard.
हम्म.
So
हम्म.
she started calling all my cousins and they all were confirming हाँ सही है सही है. So
अरे
I
वाह.
think it took me good like 2 hours to realize that okay this is true. You have done it.
वाह.
Yeah, I think even though the scorecards came in today, and I think I was just checking it again and again कि हाँ ये सच ही है ना because it still feels a dream. Like I won't lie, it still feels a
नहीं
dream.
नहीं, इट इज एक्चुअली कमेंडेबल डॉक्टर निकिता, बिकॉज टू गो थ्रू अनदर अटेम्प्ट टू मेक अ मैसिव जंप रिक्वायर्स, यू मस्ट हैव डन समथिंग आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन, एंड यू हैव मैनेज टू डू इट. मतलब दैट्स रियली अमेजिंग. अभी आप किस सिटी में बेस्ड हैं करंटली?
Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Mumbai. Okay, I took another interview of a student short while ago from Mumbai, Mulund part. You are from which part of Mumbai?
I'm from Goregaon, western
Goregaon.
suburbs. Yeah.
So you are coming to Seri Belham, or will have to come down to Goregaon to give you a treat?
I hopefully should be able to come there. I really want to come. Like I think after the results, I was telling my mom one day कि मैंने ना actually ऐसा सोचा था कि काश मैं interview दूँ. Like you just manifest stuff, and this was one of my manifestation कि काश मैं एक बार interview दूँ. So yeah, I think
Wow.
the manifestation
Wow.
came true.
Wow. Wow. Once again, thank you so much, Dr. Nikita Chelani, for scoring such a good result. My personal congratulations to your parents. Convey my personal congratulations to your mother.
Yes, sir.
And give lots and lots of love from Cerebellum Academy to your younger brother.
Yes, sir. Thank you so.
Take care, and we will definitely meet soon.
Yes, sir. Definitely. Thank you
Take
so
care.
much.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye.